It's the best place to do scuba diving. If you want scuba diving, you pay only $25. Vimy Dong $600,000. Next option. Sea walk. Only in here train Vietnam. We have sea walk. If you want to do that, that's the best place. You don't know how to swim in, don't know how to have a license, don't worry. My guy will take care of you, okay? And next option. Jet ski. You get right jet ski, parasailing, banana boat this way.
Okay, parasailing, jet ski.
And then we go to snorkeling, thank you. Come on, hurry up, going.
Oh yeah, thank you. And I'm betting you like how my that's how we live in my time. Going to hell, them babes are on wine. Come on, I'm a damn shame for them. Son, everybody, son, come over. Hungry. Come on. You are not alone.
Trời ơi, trời ơi.
You are not alone. Chơi luôn có tùng mà mẹ.
Easy, sexy. Yeah. This guy I told you this morning, he's free for men, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, right now, let's introduce the YOLO boy band. The best gentleman, Mr. Tin. And the best drummer, Mr. Sean.
Don't say no on my fault, yeah. Rose alright. Give me your hand.
Bueno, lo que se ve del otro lado es Natran. Estamos en la isla, esta isla del parque de diversiones. Caberneguinho. Apache, Apache.